everyone, welcome back to Studio 33 Art by Kane. I've just been playing around today with some of the Eraldo di Piolo pre-mixed pouring paints, and I've had a few failures, so I've just mixed all the base in together, which I've got this very yellow and pink with a few black lines through it base here. This is a 20 inch by 20 inch or 50 centimetre by 50 centimetre canvas, and I just wanted to show you that you could use the pre-mixed pouring paints. This one is the Eraldo, but there's lots on the market that aren't very expensive, and just that's what I've got down as a base, just all the different colours that I've sort of mixed in as I've been going. This is the cool yellow, and I'm trying to get a flower there, and I'm going to do like a multi-bloom, so one bloom on top of another on top of another. It's not a true bloom, it's more of a flower hairdryer pour, where I'm just blowing it out with the hairdryer. So without further ado, I'll tell you the colours as I'm using them. I'm not using many on this. I'm just going to be laying down the cool yellow. I'm going to go off centre. I want this to be off centre. Just a bit of a puddle there. I'm then using the metallic pearl. That's actually quite a bit thicker than the yellow there. And then I'm going to go yellow again. And then the Montmartre pouring paint gold. And now I'm just going to add a little bit of the Pouring Masters Luster White Metallic Pearl, which is a pre-mixed paint as well, because it gives beautiful webbing. So we'll just see what this looks like when I blow it out. I'll just get rid of the bubbles. I kind of want to just head in that direction and leave this part down here separate. So I'll just use my hairdryer, and I'll use it on slow to start with, slow and cold. We'll see how we go. Well, that's actually really pretty. I love that Pouring Masters Luster White Metallic Pearl. It just gives this beautiful webbing. I wouldn't even call it cells, really. It's sort of like, almost like a spider's web over the top. So I quite like that. So I'm just going to do another one here. So it was yellow. Now I won't be able to remember. Montmartre Pouring Paint Gold. Some more yellow. Did I use the metallic pearl? I think I did. Anyway, doesn't matter. I know I used the Pouring Masters Luster White. I can see I did use the metallic pearl. How quickly we can forget what we've just done. So I'm just going to put, with this one, I will put the metallic pearl just around the edge, the outside edge. And now I'll just blow that out with my hairdryer again. Some of the black cell activator that I had in the previous pour has come up there, but that's okay. It's just giving a bit of shadowing. Loving the white. Got some nice cells happening there, and that's where I put that the metallic pearl from Araldo. So another bloom just up here, I think. Just in the corner here. Really liking these actually, and it's that white that's really making them look special. I think I want to do just one last one over here somehow to balance that out. What do you think, guys? Shall I, or shall I leave it like that? I'm really loving these now, so I'll just finish off with a little one over on the corner that's going to run over the edge. It's really bright and happy, this piece. I think my partner Steve will like this because he likes the warmer colours, whereas I prefer the cooler colours. I wonder if I'll get one last one out of what's left in this bottle. I want it to be just like a whole posy of beautiful flowers. Might just get the one last one out of this. Just a small one here. Hardly any yellow left, just squeezing that last little bit out. Around we go. Luster pearl. Luster white metallic pearl, I can never get that right. Okay. So now I'm just going to do a little bit of quick modification on these. I'll just bring my wrecking lines back in again. That one's fine. Okay, so that's pretty much it, guys. I'm just going to tidy up my edges a little bit, and I'll be back to bring you down for a close-up. Well, here we are coming down for the close-up of this piece, and as you can see, the Montmartre Pouring Paint Gold is just making this shimmer beautifully, and where I've used the Pouring Masters Luster White Metallic Pearl there, just creates that beautiful webbing. And on the edge of it, some lovely cells with the gold. And I really like this cool yellow from Araldo. It's very pretty. And of course I've got my mottled base, which was where I'd scraped a few previous pours that I didn't like and then poured over the top. So that's created quite an interesting base, which has a lovely shimmer to it as well. As usual, you know, it's hard to pick up what these look like in real life, but it's going to look lovely when it's dry. So as usual, make sure that you've left your piece to dry on a level base, and also make sure you wipe all the drips from underneath, and we'll see how this dries. So I'll see you back here in Studio 33 in the not too distant future. Until then, stay safe. Bye bye.